Weathering can vastly improve all aspects of any model railway, in any scale and gauge, transforming a toy train into a lifelike depiction of the real thing. In this series, we explore the basic and highly effective techniques and demonstrate how to weather goods and passenger rolling stock, steam and diesel locomotives, utilising easy-to-use items such as weathering powders, sprays and washes. Join Mike and Jonathan as they guide you through all the techniques needed to have a go yourself in our brand new 4-part series, 1960s style weathering, exclusive to keymodelworld.com.